You are going to love the 2018 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, automatic transmission, power steering, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer, heads-up display. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.